Hello and welcome. Today I thought I will make a video on showing now how you can check multiple LLMs on VS Code itself. Thanks to Copilot and Microsoft, VS Code has been tremendously powerful recently, in particular Copilot, right? To get started, let's go and search here for Copilot. And you can see that the Copilot from GitHub, you can install them. You can install both Copilot and Copilot Chat once you install it. And on latest, I think VS Code 1.95 or whatever, the latest version, the Copilot appears at top rather than it used to appear on this side. Once you have Copilot, you should see this small sign here at the end. And once you install Copilot, you can install another extension called, I think it's called AI Toolkit. Yes, and this one is from Microsoft. Please download this specific one. I haven't checked other one, and this is from Microsoft, so should be fairly easy to install. Just simply click if it was uninstalled, then you can simply click install, then you should have it. But once you have it, you should see on your side that there is this small symbol that you can play around with. There is get started and there are playgrounds. So one thing we are today interested in is first we'll look into model itself, and you can see now this has been such a great place because you can get all the models from top language models offering companies here. These are bunch, right? There are GitHub, Anthropic, Google, OpenAI, and all those, Microsoft, Meta. And you can even specify if you want to use GPU or if you want to use CPU. You can use the one that runs locally, right? You can use that, you can access remotely, and there are a bunch of other things you can do. This is so cool, right? Because now if you go there and you can go to Meta 3.8, and bam, you have Meta 3.8 that is running locally on your computer, right? And you can ask anything here. How should I train the NSFR and transformer based model? Ooh. You see, and this is so quick. One thing is I did nothing. I think this should pretty much work locally on your device, and there are local models that I already have. And cool thing about this is now you can switch the model. You can go to GPT 4.0 and analyze the above results, and VALIDAT validates its URR correctness. See, that's great. And of course you can change the temperature and top P value. If you don't know what top P and temperature is, you can look it online, but basically the higher it is, the more creative the model gets. Top P, you want 1 when you want model to be of the highest creativity, meaning it will go very probabilistic. If you set this to 0, if you set temperature to 0, then you will always have the answer as you will always have the same answer. For example, here you say, what is your name? I think that should be it, right? I'm called ChatGPT. You can get the same thing. What is your name? I'm called ChatGPT. I'm called ChatGPT. Same thing, right? And with this latest extension, the good thing I like about it, of course, you can hide it, right? Oh, sorry. Let me change it to 1 before I forget it. The one thing I like about it is once you have the local model, you can switch them so easily. You see here, you can go to 3.2, 90, and then you can write here a function to find the I don't know, find the sum of two numbers in an array, you may assume that the sum is provided. Let's see, this is very vague, very vague, and it defers to Python. That is great. You know, it use the dictionary and the two-pointer approach. I should go with the two-pointer approach, but whatever. You can see that, you know, it's very easy to switch the models. You have your own playground here, and then you have the list of all the models there. Very easy, and I think this is one of the very great one of the latest very good thing about Copilot, or you know, from Microsoft and GitHub combine, you know, in joint. And one thing you see now with this latest upgrade of Copilot, another thing I really like is the, you know, the flexibility to change model here. It defaults to GPT 4.0, but you can go to 4.0 preview as well. What is answer? What is quantum and field theory? And how does it align, I don't know, to general relativity, maybe something you can ask, whatever, right? And then the Copilot is here, so you have this flexibility of, you know, switching between the models. Quantum, it becomes quantum maybe, but whatever, right? You can basically ask the same thing. Let's see what it gives here. I think this was given by Llama 3.2. You can ask the same thing here. All in all, I'm saying this is for GitHub Copilot. You will need an internet, because this does not function without an internet. But all in all, you can see that great, both of these are giving the same result. You can switch between the models. You can even go to Anthropic. If you don't like whatever the model is provided here, you can go here on, you know, on this specific AI toolkit and choose whatever model you like, right? Gemini 5.0, or some of these will definitely require an API key. For example, if you want to use I don't know, GPT latest here, GPT 4.0 mini, this will definitely it is there. But let's go to GPT 4.0 preview. What is preview? Maybe I can go to OpenAI. One preview. This will definitely ask me for an you see, this will definitely ask me for an API key, because you cannot use it on Playground. But no worries, hey, why should you worry about that? Because we have preview here as well from GitHub, thanks to the partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI. So there you have it. I haven't played much with it yet. There might be something for fine-tuning. Let's see. I might make some future videos about how we can leverage these models more. I will get into that in future, but there you have it with the latest upgrade or update from Visual Studio Code and Copilot. Things has really moving towards, you know, making life easy. VS Code is becoming so much powerful. You can use or try all the models within the VS Code. No need to go anywhere. Yes, I think that's pretty much it. Any questions? Just let me know. Thanks for watching.